Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to embed HTML code to hosting or website builder. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, log into your Hostinger H panel and click on Websites from the left-hand menu. Next, select the website you want to edit and click Edit Website. You can embed HTML code anywhere on your website, but for this tutorial we'll create a new section. So click on Add Section and choose Blank Section. Once added, go to the left side menu and click on Add Element. From the list of elements, find Embed code and drag it into your desired spot on the page. Now click on Enter Code. This is where you'll paste your HTML code. For example, if you have a simple Google Reviews widget, just copy your HTML code, go back to the Hostinger website builder, and paste it into the Embed code box. Once pasted, click Embed Code. You'll immediately see your widget or HTML element appear on your website. From here, you can customize and adjust it as you like. After finishing your customization, click on Preview to view your page. You'll see that your HTML embed code has been successfully added and is now visible on your website, and that's it. So that is how you can embed HTML code to hosting or website builder. So that's all for this video. Thanks.